this is the public administration paper which was conducted by UPSC today. So let's see the questions of the paper. First is regarding imperfect market and political factor limit the application of public choice approach. So question is regarding public choice approach. Then second is fine art of decision making is not making decision that other can make. Comment. So decision making regarding question is asked. Then has the media mixed its role in holding the government accountable and ensuring transparency? So the question is about role of media in a democracy. Okay. Then fourth is regarding Hubert Simon. Is Hubert Simon justified in criticizing some principle of administration as proverb analyze? So there is Hubert Simon is the major critical thinker of classical theory. So the question is regarding that. Then one number E is administrative law has evolved from the need to create a system of public administration under law. Elucidate. So the question is regarding evolution of administrative law. Then second question first is regarding new public management. New public management has actually been a transitory state in evolution from traditional public administration to what is here called new public governance. So question is regarding NPM and new public governance, NPG. Then Mary Parker Follett pioneered the evolution of socio-psychological approach to the study of organization. Explain. Okay. Then third question under question 2 is under the new public management framework, public-private partnership challenge the entropy of closed and open model of organization. Analyze. So public-private partnership, how it challenge the entropy of closed and open model of organization. Then third number question, the conflict situation in organization leadership migrate to its aggressive and relegate the emotionally mature to background. Discuss. The question is regarding role of leadership. Then third question is the foundation of public administration, new public management and public governance rest on rule of law. So question is regarding rule of law. Then third number C, the principle of check and balance count among the moral fundamental constitutional value. Comment. So it is the fundamental constitutional value. The question is regarding the fundamental and constitutional values. Fourth question is delegated legislation. It should be clear and should confine to the limit determined by legislature. In light of the statement, explain how the misuse of administrative discretion can be checked. Then for number B, leadership is not only about taking credit for success but also owning of the being accountable for failure. Elucidate. So question is asking about leadership, the role of leadership. Then fourth number question is regarding bureaucracy. Bureaucracy constitutes the imaginary state and is the spiritualism of the state. Explain. So the question is asking about the role of bureaucracy. Then section B. Section B is first question 5 number. E-advocacy model of e-governance can facilitate democratization of public policy making. So this is regarding democratization of public policy making. So e-governance, there is a model of e-advocacy model of e-governance. So question is the asking about the relationship between e-governance and public policy making. Then next question is neoliberal policy have enhanced the scope and opportunity of taxation for government. Explain. So it enhance. So there are neoliberal policy that enhance the scope and opportunity of taxation for new government. So this is question regarding GST type. You can give example. Then 5 number question C, policy analysis process is limited if possible outcome and alternate potential policies are neglected. So this is regarding policy analysis, public policy analysis or public policy evolution. Then 5D, values and ethics in civil service are shaped by global practices and trend. Explain. So you have to interrelate with the values and ethics in civil service with global practices. Like DOG, it was established in government, America, USA government, Department of Government Efficiency. So you have to relate that that type of concept. Then 5 number E, economic development alone is not a sufficient component for women development and empowerment. So economic development is not sufficient component for women development and empowerment. That means only focusing on women development is not suitable. There are other various section of societies, vulnerable section of society. So we have to focus on those aspects also. Then come to 6 number A, FW risks interdependent economy is a precursor for some features of postmodern public administration. Analyze. So there is interrelationship between industria and postmodern public administration. The question is asking about that. Then the role of responsibility of the state in development process has been overemphasized and given undue importance. Critically examine. So role and responsibility of state in development process. The theme is that. Then 6 number 6 C is affirmative action for equal opportunity is a cornerstone in recruitment to public services. Discuss it in global context. So the question is asking about public service recruitment. Then 7 number A, the objective of liberalization, privatization and globalization of a new public management was to limit government function and reduce public expenditure. However, both function and expenditure has increased. Account for the paradox. Then 7B, the basis of comparative study of public administration has evolved from institutional approach to contemporary political economic process approach. Have all these approaches enabled development of a theory of comparative public administration? Justify your answer. The question is regarding comparative public administration. 7C, can competency mapping linked to career development incentivize civil servant commitment to effective service delivery? Elaborate. Then 8 number E, the effectiveness of civil society in development process is only when state institutions are receptive to input from civil society organization. Discuss. So question is regarding civil society organization. 8 number B, evaluate the role and scope of tactic knowledge and personal experience as an important source of knowledge in policy making process. Then 8 number C is efficacy of management aid tool depend on the purpose and appropriateness of the tool and technique. Explain with example. So this is all the question. We will discuss one by one in another video. Thank you.